So life's about compromises, right? So in order to get Katie to shoot a machine gun for the first time, I had to go and try yoga.
Hot yoga.
Yeah, it's 100 degrees in Texas. That room is so much worse. So as you can see, I'm like soaked from head to toe. But let's go ahead and see Katie's side of the deal, shooting a machine gun. Stay tuned, guys. One you're gonna shoot's the loudest one they got. What do you think?
Take it out there.
What do you think, Katie? She gets camera shy, but I can't not record this. Nervous? No?
Kind of.
You excited though?
Your shoulder, grip it up here, and then roll forward into it like that.
Okay.
If you stand up straight, it's gonna kick you off like this. So lean forward into it, and when you shoot it, it's just gonna kick straight back.
Okay.
You'll be fine.
So like forward.
Yeah.
Got it.
You'll be
You got it. You're gonna go first?
I don't want to go first.
Yeah, this is part of your best man gift. How's that?
Magazine release, selector switch, semi-auto, full auto, okay? You're not gonna go straight from here to here. You're gonna go to selective, you're gonna do a couple shots, get used to how it recoils, then I'm gonna have you go to full. You're gonna do 3 to 5 rounds, and then I'm gonna let you know when I need to go rock and roll on, okay? That's what you're gonna repeat. All right, go ahead and put on select fire. Center max. Full. Light full, slight full.
That is so much flash.
Yeah, it doesn't last long.
All right.
What do you think, Katie? What do you think? You nervous or excited?
That's awesome.
Do it, baby. There's a light member shooting you out there. Square up on it. Keep it in the pocket. Please don't let it. All right.
Okay.
All right. So you ready? This is your selector switch here.
Okay.
That is semi, and then the one more click is full.
Okay, so you want me to do a few in semi?
Do a few rounds.
Okay.
Yep. Square up. Kind of lean forward into it. Get in this position. Otherwise, it's gonna. There you go. Alright, roll it over. Alright, roll it over. You only hit my carrier once.
Wasn't that bad?
Is that fun?
What?
Is that fun?
Yeah. My heart is like racing.
I know, it's like exhilarating.
So do I have permission to buy a machine gun now?
No. Aw.
The way it flinched, I thought it was there.
Yeah.
Hey, Katie, proud of you, baby. Proud of you.
Whenever I was doing it, I feel like I wasn't even, I was like aiming, but like,
It's hard.
I wasn't focusing. It
immediately.
kind of like,
Before you pack it up.
it didn't hurt too bad though.
It doesn't.
This thing's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts?
Me and Noble liked it, huh? Huh.
What are your thoughts of shooting your first machine
Pretty
gun?
cool.
Yeah, fun?
Mm-hmm.
Can I get one?
No.
Totally worth it. Totally worth it.